As many of you know, I am now getting into 3D printing, which has been a long time coming. And I'm loving the ability to be able to make parts, in particular for my track. But now a lot of people are becoming interested in what I'm doing, and so I'm making some stuff for sale. And some of the stuff I have are these little Marshall huts. And oh, this little guy's down. I'll pick him up in a second. I've also got these trackside little workshops, which I haven't put up for sale yet. I'll also have this complete 180 set for sale. I was just going to make another one and just make a video out of it, but I just might even use this. And there's some other stuff floating around. Of course, there's all the hoists that I've got. These are really sturdy hoists, and you can actually have two levels. This is a mid-level, and then there's a high level, which you can see there, and they actually do go down and sort of sit flush there as well. And what else? Oh look, there's just some other stuff. Another little Marshall hut there, and probably one of my favourite parts is this TV tower. I really love that. That took a long time to design. Anyway, that's not what I'm here about. I'm here about some of the imperfections you're going to find in 3D printing. Not in these flat pieces. You won't really find too many imperfections, and the same with this little tower here. You won't find too many imperfections there. Also, I've got some barrels, and you know, there's all other bits and pieces. There's so much, and but it's more so to do with the larger pieces, such as curves. Curves do present a problem with 3D printing. Maybe you've printed your own, maybe you've designed and printed your own. However, they're not easy to print, and I just want to let you know that if you do purchase something off me, what to expect as far as quality-wise. Quality-wise, these are absolutely superb. I spent a lot of time in designing these, along with also tricking these out in the Prusa slicer. And I've gone through a hell of a lot of prints just to get to here, and I'm really, really happy. The only thing that there are some imperfections which will not affect your car when it comes through. It's just a little bit cosmetic on the top here. I don't know if you can see. You can just see that there. You can see a little slight imperfection. Is that going to focus? It's just a slight little bump, and I can't knock that out. It's just, I've tried absolutely everything to try and knock that out, and it just seems to be, when these are printed nice and tall. Right, they actually stand up and print. This one here takes 7 hours to print, so you can imagine that this is sitting on the print bed, and it has to get right up there to that corner, and it's just not able to give us a perfect, nice finish. But look, am I worried about it? Not really. I wish I could knock it out and make it 100% perfect. As I say, this will not affect the performance of how the cars drive around. You can see yet again there's another little slight line there. So I just wanted to let you know that this is what you can expect when you do purchase a product of Hot Car Track. They are fabulously working parts, and look, there's a little slight mark there, but a lot of these have got to do because the tolerances are so low when it comes to inserting these custom connectors. You know, you really only have like 1.4 mil or something, you know, from the top, and then, you know, you've got to put a connector in there. So yeah, anyway, that's just sort of a quick vid. This part came out really nice. There's a little bit of a mark there. So these are going to be inherent across the whole range of these curves. And as I say, there's not a lot you can do about it. So if you're happy with that, I'm happy with that. I'm just trying to find some others down here. I do have a lot that I've actually printed, and I mean I printed a lot. We just keep going, and we just keep going. Some of my earlier prints here, you can see that one was really nasty. I tried to sand that out and put some spray paint on that just to see how it held up. Actually, the spray paint works really well. Just black spray paint, so you can also do that. This one here was the that was the 90, sorry, that was the 50 degree one, which I've scrapped the idea, I didn't like it. So anyway, that's where we are. These are available and ready to rock and roll. So if you're interested, just make contact with me and I'll print them out and we'll send them off. All right, happy racing. Thank you, catch you later.